Whooping cough has been surging across the U.S. and apparently its spread doesn't look like it's slowing down at all. Right now, the CDC says there have been 32,000 cases reported so far this year. That's about 6 times more than there were this time last year. Whooping cough can be serious for all ages, but children younger than 1 are particularly sensitive. Vaccination is the best way to protect against the contagious respiratory illness. Symptoms are similar to the common cold, but a painful body cough can develop that can last for weeks or even months.